So, you want to become a YouTuber? Well, I'll be the first to tell you that there is no better time to start than now. Every year, there is more and more opportunity to grow a successful brand online, and today I want to go over the entire process. We'll go into detail about some of the biggest reasons people don't make it online so you know what to avoid, and even give you guys some tips on how you can get your foot in the door and start your journey on the path to becoming a YouTuber. First, let me tell you a bit about myself. My name's Phantom, and over the past 42 days, I've been taking advantage of the power of all social media by consistently uploading on all platforms. I want to maximize my growth and use all my downtime to fuel my energy even more. I have no doubt in my mind that I will make it, and I want to be able to share that same energy with everyone. Alright, so let's get into the first tip I have. Take advantage of all social media. This includes TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. When you are starting off, you want to spread your name as much as possible, and the best way to do that is by taking advantage of these platforms. One of the greatest platforms right now for growth is actually TikTok. I recommend uploading consistently on TikTok and to continue trying new things out so that you can find something that works. If you advertise your YouTube content from your TikTok, there will be a higher conversion rate on the videos that get on the For You page. As you study and continue to learn what videos get on the For You page and at what time you should post them, you will start to grow a community from TikTok very quickly. And this might be one of the best opportunities people have ever had when it comes to growing a brand online. Keep that in mind and make sure you take advantage. Now the next tip, consistency. I know this one is talked about a lot in videos when it comes to growing a YouTube channel because this one is huge. When you're new to the platform, you are just beginning to figure out how things work. You need to figure out which videos do better on your channel, what time you should be posting your videos at, what thumbnails work the best for a higher click-through percentage. There is a lot. The fastest and easiest way to start adapting to these things is through consistency. This is how you're going to be able to make the most mistakes, and don't be afraid of these. Mistakes are good as long as we use them to our advantage. You have to be able to identify these mistakes and fix them accordingly so that you can continue to grow as a content creator every single day. This is how you are going to increase your level of production extremely fast. The last and final thing is mindset. Now this may seem cheesy, but I promise you that this is everything. If you can't believe in yourself, how do you expect anyone who watches your videos to believe in you? When you are a content creator, your mindset and energy is showcased so much in your content. If you ever fake these emotions for the videos, people will see right through this, and you will have a much smaller audience that are interested in your passion. You want to make sure that you are always doing something you enjoy and that you are passionate about. That way, it is easy for you to express as much passion and energy into every single video you create. This energy will keep people intrigued, and you will start to grow the audience you have always dreamed of. Always stay true to yourself, and make sure that the videos you are producing and putting online are a genuine and real reflection of who you are as a person. Alright, now let's go over one of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to doing this. This is something that you're going to want to avoid as it can really affect how you feel and mess up the entire process of becoming a creator. The biggest tip I can give is to not let the numbers get to you. When it comes to creating content online, numbers fluctuate way too much. If you let a lower amount of views bring you down, you are bound to fail right from the beginning. Instead, use these numbers to inspire you. A video with less views should inspire you to learn why that video didn't do as good, and try new things to ensure that you can continue to grow as a content creator and you won't be making the same mistake over and over again. If your primary focus remains creating the content you love producing, you will never have any trouble sticking to the grind and growing your channel all the way up to the top. To sum up this video, yes, in the year 2020, it is possible to become a content creator. If you would like visual proof, you can look at the YouTuber Eric. He started consistently uploading earlier this year, and his goal is to prove that it is still possible to make it in 2020. He is now at 509,000 subscribers and living his dream. Our wildest life is out there, and we just need to take advantage of the stuff we have to capture it. Follow your dreams and start creating. Now marks the day that your current chapter in life ends and your YouTube chapter begins. How do you want this chapter to look? I am so excited to see what you guys are going to do, and I know it will be huge. Anyways, that is all. Hope you have a great day. I will see you all tomorrow.